Hey guys, if you can work the problems in this video, you are going to do great on the test. If you could just pause the video as we're going through them, try to work them yourself and see if you get the same answer as I do. You will make 100 on the test. These questions mirror the same questions that are on the test, that will be on the STAR test, and hopefully you will do great. I even put a tip on there. So if you pause the video, try to work it yourself, then you'll see me work it. So we have this graph with these two right triangles on there. They want to know what is true about this. What statement is true? Well, as we learned, both triangles are on the same line. So you just need to circle your words and remember what we said about two shapes sharing the same line. So they're saying the slope is less than. This one's saying the slope is equal to. This one's saying the slope is greater than. And this one says the relationship cannot be determined. Well, they are using the same line, so therefore their slope will be the same. It's not going to be less than, it's not going to be greater than, and we can determine what the slope is. It's equal to. Your answer would be G. Okay, let's look at another one. Bear with me as I'm trying to figure out. There we go. Figured it out. Look at the tables of the values of this relationship. What do you see? You see a table. What buttons do you use? You're going to use Stat, Edit. Let's do that now. Let's see if I can pull the calculator up in this mode. Nope. Let's see. There we go. Let's go back to our original. Just going to keep it on here because we're going to keep going back and forth. Because I need the calculator. I'm going to use the one on the iPad. There it is. So it's already cleared. I'm going to hit Stat, Enter. Then I'm going to put in X. I'm going to put in 2. Whoops. 2, enter. 4.5, enter. 0.5, enter. And 0. I'm going to tab over. Sorry, hold on. Okay, it's in there. No, it's not. Okay, 0.5, enter, and 0. I'm going to go up, over, and I'm going to put in 4, 9. Well, this isn't working well. Hold on. Nine, 1, and 0. I'm going to hit Stat, tab 4. I'm going to enter all the way. There's my answer. I know A is slope. So I'm going to put y equals 2x. Let's go to the next slide. What do you know about proportional graphs? Well, we know they must go through the origin. That one doesn't. That one's not. That one's not as either. This one is going through the origin, so your answer is H. Okay, let's look at the next one. How many numbers are in a proportional relationship? They want to know which equation represents a proportional relationship. Well, we know there's one number next to the x. So we're looking for something with a number next to x, and that's it. Your answer is J. Okay, let's look at this one. A bottle contains 30 fluid ounces of orange juice and 18 of pineapple. Which has a slope that best represents the ratio of orange juice to pineapple juice? So we know orange juice is our y, pineapple is our x. And we know orange juice has 30 and pineapple has 18, which is our x. Orange juice, pineapple, they're all the same. So just looking at this, I can see that I don't see a 30 for orange juice. So I'm going to reduce this. So I'm going to divide it by, let's see, I know 2 goes into that. That would give me 15 over 9. And I also know that 6 can go into 30. That would give me 5 over 3. So I'm going to look for when orange juice is 5 and pineapple juice is 3. That won't work. Let's look over here. Looking at 3. That's too much. 3 and a little over the 4, so that could be 5. This one goes to 3 and a little over 6. So your answer is going to be right here, this one. If you did 2 divided by 30, you would get 15 and 9. That works as well. Your answer is G, I think. I can't see it anymore. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, we have a water hose discharges water at a rate of 45 gallons per minute. Which graph tells us that? So we have water and time. We have water in minutes. Okay. And we know that it is 45 gallons per minute. So at 1 minute, if we go up and over, we're looking for 45. That doesn't make any sense. This one looks awesome. If we go up and over, we're right at 45. This one, if we go up and over, we're at 15. This one, it looks like we are at 60. So your answer would be F. Next one. What does the question want you to find? So we have a graph of a linear function. It shows us this line. It looks like the slope is negative. We have 2 points. But the important part is, what is the y-intercept? We could put those 2 points in stat edit and it would give us our answer. Or we can look right here at where it crosses y, and we know our answer is -6. Here's another one. They show us a table. What do you see? I see a table, and we're going to use stat edit. So let's pull the calculator up, and we're going to hit stat, enter. We're going to put in our x values of 1.25, enter. We're going to put 3.75, enter. I don't think that worked. 3.75, enter. And 5.5, enter. We need to take that 0 out, so I'm going to hit delete and go up and over. I'm going to put 17.50. I'm going to put 52.50. And I'm going to put 77.00. I'm going to delete that 0. And I'm going to hit stat, tab, 4. And I'm going to enter all the way down. And based on this, we know they make $14 an hour. Let's look at another one. If y is directly proportional with x and y equals 36, when x is 30, what is the value of y when x is 40? Well, how many numbers do you see? I see 3. What do you draw? We draw our hashtag. And when y, let's put these in. We know when y is 36, x is 30. And what is the value of y? That's what we're looking for when x is 40. So let's solve by cross multiplying. So we have 30x equals, let's see the calculator, and 40, hit second, quit. Now we're going to see 40 times 36 gives me 40 times 36 gives me 1440. Okay, so we divide both sides by 30 because we need to get x by itself. And so 1440 divided by 30 gives us 48. So we know our answer is 48. We got one more. How many numbers are in the question? What will you draw? Okay, well, it looks like another one, another practice one, like we just did. Without even reading the problem, I can see I have 3 numbers. So therefore, I'm going to draw a hashtag. Now I got to read it because I need to figure out what I'm doing. We have donuts produced by a machine is directly proportional to the time it runs. The machine produces 380 donuts in 20 minutes. So I have my donuts and I have my minutes. So I have 380 in 20 minutes. How many donuts can the machine produce after running for 45 minutes? That's what I'm looking for. So I have 20x equals 380 times 45. 380 times 45. I have 17,100. We divide both sides by 20. Divided by 20. And we get 855 donuts. And that's it. Your test is tomorrow. If you can do these practice questions, you're going to make 100. Thank you for watching.